Guys, what is going on? Ethan here. Today we are going to be checking out Instaproxy.io. So this website is so convenient. So I'm just going to be showing it off and checking it out. So residential IPs. So these proxies don't expire, so you have them for however long until you use all of the data. So 99% uptime. However long that I've used them, I've never had a problem with the proxies not working. So the ping on them is always, pretty good. I've never had super high ping or like I just said, the proxy's not working. You could change the location of them. The cost of the data is not expensive. And then you have IP rotation. So then we have some more stuff here. So you can go ahead, create an account, and get a free 50 megabytes just to go ahead and check it out and see what it's like. So for 4 gigabytes, it's $20. 8 gigabytes, it's $40. 16 gigabytes, it's $80. 32 gigabytes, it is $160. So I already have my account signed in. I'm going to go ahead and sign in over here. So I'm going to go ahead and I only want one proxy because I don't want to generate a bunch, because then it's a bunch of IPs and stuff that I have to cover up in editing. So I don't want to have to do all that. So I'm going to go ahead and just do one, do sticky in the United States. And like I said, just one. So here is the IP address. I'm going to go ahead, copy this. And I'm going to go ahead and get out a proxy tester and check out the speed. So we are going to be using Fog Golden Proxy Tester. I don't know the exact name, how you pronounce it, but a lot of you guys know what proxy tester this is. So I imported the proxy and I'm just going to be testing it out on Google, just a basic website. I'm going to go ahead and test the proxy. So 499 milliseconds. That's pretty good. 32 gigabytes of data, $160, and it doesn't expire. You have this forever amount of time, unlimited amount of time. That's good, because if you're not using it, you're definitely gonna have this for a long time. So I really do recommend this if you don't have good proxies or you need proxies. So yeah, check them out. Let me know what you guys think. So thank you guys for watching. This is Ethan signing out. Peace.